Hello everybody, Kev Blokey here from my Hot Wheels collection. An unboxing video. This is the 2020 E case, international case. This is coming from the United States, from Ken at A&J Toys. If you Google A&J Toys, you'll find them and you'll find the deals they've got going on. Including cases. We are currently, for about 3 or 4 weeks, we've currently had C case here in the United Kingdom. And there's no sign of D case yet, or indeed E. So I've gone ahead and purchased E case on the basis that I'm going to need quite a few cars within this box for my own collection. So what I do, I know you've seen enough unboxing videos in the past, but here's yet another one. What I'll do is I'll get the cars out 3 at a time for you to have a look at. And yeah, hey, you can never have enough Hot Wheels entertainment on YouTube, can you? I don't know. Can you? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, let's rack on and see what we've got. Now, I know the regular treasure hunt for this is the Batman Arkham Asylum is a regular treasure hunt. The super treasure hunt, if we're really lucky, I believe is the Honda CRX. But as I said, let's see what the case gives us. So quick peek inside. There is the contents inside. As I say, we'll take them out 3 at a time and see what we have. So the first 3 are, this is going exceptionally well. First 3, we have got the 88 Honda CRX. This is the regular version with the plastic wheels. The Super has got the black stripe alongside and red, obviously real riders. Then we've got the Aura 3 in blue. And from the Art Car series, we have the 92 Ford Mustang. Okay, next 3 up, we have got from the Trackstars. This is the Ford Force. Aston Martin Vulcan, second release. This is in white, part of the factory fresh. And then we have the Range Rover Velar in black. Okie dokies. Next 3 up, we have got the, this is a new casting, this is the Geo Terra. You know what, I think I need to turn this video light off, do I? Is it too bright? No, stick with it. Sorry about if there's any reflections. We've got the Geo Terra, 4-wheel drive affair, glass roof, fantasy casting. We have another fantasy casting, this is the Street Stealth. And finally the Porsche 918 Spider. Okay, so the next 3 up, we have got another new casting. This is the Nissan Silvia S13 in gunmetal, K&N race branded along the side. Based on the real cars, as I understand it. Very nice. Then we have got the Audi. Do you know, I'm going to turn that off. Back in a second. Right, me again. I tried it with the light off and it's too dark. Trouble filming at night. So bear with us. Hopefully it won't ruin your entertainment. Anyway, next up we have the Audi RS5 Coupe in blue. Yeah, like that. And finally, from this 3, we have the I Believe in metallic red. Rather nice wheels on that. It's part of the Street Beast, but as a casting, I'll be honest, it doesn't do a lot for me. Okay, so the next 3, we have got the Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback in blue Golf racing colours, part of the Speed Graphics series. Then from the art cars, we have got La Faster in a blueprint sort of colour, H on the bonnet there. This is a similar colour scheme that the Ford Focus carried. Was it last year, the year before in the art car series? And then we have the Tesla Model 3 again in sort of gunmetal silver, grey, and very nice. Okay, next three up, we have got the Cloak and Dagger, a removable body on this, I believe. Again, it's not a car that does it for me, but it may do it for you. Then we have got, this is a favourite, the 16 Bugatti Chiron in black. Oh, it's just a yellow mark on the packet, it's come off. And we then have another Aston Martin Vulcan. So 2 Vulcans in the pack thus far. Moving swiftly on. Come out, come out, come out. We have got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood in green. So it's got plastic wings and a metal sort of pearlescent looking, well, certainly sparkly looking body there. Then we have another Dior 3 in blue and another Golf Mustang 2+2 fastback. And the next three, please. We have got from the Toon series the 69 Chevelle in chrome silver, very nice. Like the wheels on that. Then we have the Baja truck, part of the Speed Blur in blue, Hot Wheels colours. And then from the Art Car series, we have the Fish and Chipped in white, again similar colour scheme carried by cars previously in the Art Car series, this time with a W on the roof, you can see there. Union Jack on the side, so being a Brit, I appreciate that. Yeah, based on the Jaguar Mark 10, I believe. I don't really know my vintage Jags, but someone will tell me if I'm wrong, no doubt. Okay. Next up, we have got the Radical Racer in red, the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in black, red wheels, very nice. Always have a look at the print on these because sometimes the headlights can be all over the place, but this one looks okay. And then this is the regular treasure hunt for this case. This is the Arkham Asylum Batmobile in blue. You can see just behind the front wheel there the treasure hunt logo. And if we play around with the pack, you can see underneath there the grey treasure hunt symbol. So that's what we're looking for. One regular treasure hunt. Right, next up, Chris from Tune Tracks, one of his favourites from Mr. Paducci. This is the Aisle Driver, this time in silver with a blue figure. Then we have put your teeth in, Runway Rescue, previously in red, now in green. Surprisingly fast casting on the track. Then we have another Tesla Model 3 in grey. Good stuff. Okay, right, we're almost at the top of the first pile. So we have got, we'll spend a lot of time, we've already seen these. We have got the Porsche 918 Spider. I believe in the previous case, this was, if you find the dark blue version of this, it is the Super Treasure Hunt. This is a D case, Super. This is the regular version, of course. Then we have another Aisle Driver and another Honda Civic. The last three cars from the top pile is another 92 Ford Mustang from the Art Cars series. Looking a bit jammed down at the front, but I think it's just that way sitting in the packaging. And then we have two of the custom 01 Acura Integra GSRs in this, I don't know what you call that, this sort of grey purpley colour with speed blur graphics on the side, which is appropriate for the series it's in. Two of those. That's the top layer done. So let's crack on to the bottom layer. First three we put out are the Surf and Turf in yellow Toon Series, another Chiron, and another Range Rover Velar in black. Splendid. Right, next three we have another Honda Civic CRX. Honda Civic, what am I talking about? Honda CRX in a white, like the Honda series. Another Ford Force and the 65 Ford Mustang convertible from Thunderball. Cool, cool, cool. Next three, we have got another Audi RS5 Coupe in blue. The 2018 Ford Mustang GT in Baller colours, number 78 racing number. And this I've been looking forward to. This is from the Toon series, and this is the Manga Tuner. So this is the third manga type car. We've had the Mad Manga, which was the original, I say normal version of this, you know what I mean. And then we had the open top Manga convertible, the name of which escapes me at the moment. And now we've got this Manga Tuner. That was cool. Looking forward to that, see how it performs. Right, next three, we have got another Surf and Turf, another Nissan Silvia, and another Geo Terra. Okay. Next up, from the Art Car series, we have got Quick Bite in blue, ice cream along the side, and EE on the roof. So is that EE from Hot Wheels maybe? We will find out once we have the entire series. And then we have the Rip Rod in red. And another 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Okay, right, next up we have got the Donut Drifter, a new casting. Another food related car, like the Street Wiener and so on and so forth. Been a nice chocolate topped donut with drizzlingtons on the sprinkles on the top. Adopting a race car sort of Toon style. Yeah, so there we go, that's that. Don't think there's any special features. The driver doesn't wiggle about or anything. And that's the Donut Drifter. Next up, hey, I've dropped some cars. It's a Kev Blokey video. Cars have been dropped. Oh, goodness. Right, back to normal. Right, we then have the 49 Ford F1 in a rather stunning, almost pearlescent green metallic colour scheme. Look at that, that's beautiful. What a great paint job on that. And those rather, well, I personally like them, these disc wheels, but some people don't. I think it rather depends on what casting it goes on, but rather suits the Ford F1. And then we have the Circle Tracker. This one's celebrating 75 years of Mattel as a company. So that's rather fetching. Lots of branding along the side. I take it there. Yeah, it looks like all the different brands they produce. I can see Barbie on there and probably so many others. Cool. Right. Excuse me. Next up, we have got the Alpine A110 Cup. Yes, I know it says Alpine, but I believe it's pronounced Alpine. From Renault, the sports division of Renault. Then we have the Moto Wing in red, and the El Viento in, what would you call that, burnt orange? Yeah, I suppose so. Right, next up we have got the 19 Ford Ranger Raptor in white Ford Performance livery with that nice sort of cracked paint look across the top. It's rather fetching. Then we've got the Mazda Repu in Magnus Walker Urban Outlaw colours. Very nice. And then another one I've been looking forward to, being a Volkswagen owner, is the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup in the ever so popular Moon Eyes colours. This one's in yellow. I believe the next one is coming out in grey, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, very good. Next up, we have got the Aeropod, the X-Racers in green, the skull design on the side. Another Moto Wing in red, and another Moon Eyes Beetle pickup in yellow. Lovely. Right, next three. We have got another Rip Rod. Casting, fantasy casting, the one was proving quite popular, is the Mod Rod. This is the second release in red. First one was in grey. Different wheels on this as well. Looks all rather fetching. And then we have the Speed Driver. A bit like the Tooligan. The rear end of the car is a wrench, and there's a bit there for putting your Allen keys in, and yada yada yada. So there we are. That's the Speed Driver. Right, we're down to the last six. We've got another Trackstars car. This is the Nerve Hammer in green. Another Mazda Repu in grey. And then we have the Time Taxi. This is the standard version. There is also a Hot Wheels ID Chase version in this case. Well, not in this particular case, but in E case. So one for you to look out for. It's got a more metallic colour scheme, and it'll be on a white card as well. This is the standard, but I'm happy with it as it is a casting one collects. So super deeps. Right, down to the last three now. There we go, empty case. And the last three are another 19 Ford Ranger Raptor in white, another custom Cadillac Fleetwood in green, and another, first one, this is the Beetle in orange, part of the X-Racers again. So there we are, E-Case, 2020 Hot Wheels E-Case, E-Case international cards. There we are. That's another case unboxed. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, wash your hair, take your partner out for dinner. I don't know, do what you want. But yes, a like would be nice. Comment which are your favourite castings, which ones you're waiting for. Yeah. See you next time. Kev Blakey signing out. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye.